This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. Here's a single-family home with no HOA, ideally located on 0.26 acres with a split floor plan, large inviting rear-screened porch, private backyard with lush tree coverage and with a single-car garage. Home has a spacious laundry room, fenced-in backyard and nestled on a charming street with beautiful mature trees. Come see, come get it. You will be very happy. Nicely rated school systems in this area too. Minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment, 10-minute drive to the beach. Opportunity to customize, value priced. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.